2 more to go. One more. Inhale. Exhale and fold. Good. Inhale, lift the chest halfway. Exhale, step back to plank. Pause here, hold for a breath in. This time we're gonna pike the hips up, push straight back to downward dog. Inhale to lift the right leg high, opening out the hip. Exhale to bend the knee. Then bring the knee to tap the back of the right arm or as close as you can. Inhale, lift the leg back up. 3-leg down dog. Exhale, bring the knee to tap the back of the left arm or as close as you can. Inhale to lift back up, opening back out, 3-leg down dog. Final time, exhale, bring knee to nose and step the foot through. It's okay if you need a couple steps to get there. Spin the back foot open, women the arms up for warrior 2. Pause here. Trying to get the front thigh so it's parallel to the mat. You could always edge the back foot down the mat to do this. Pause and hold for a breath in. Exhale out. Flip the front palm open, inhale, right arm reaches up, lean back for reverse warrior. Left hand can rest on your leg or wrap behind the back. Pausing for a breath in here, keep bending into the front knee.